Imagine this. You wake up, you pick up your phone, you talk to someone for about 30 minutes, and you get paid in dollars. No degree, no experience, no traveling anywhere. Just you, your voice, and your internet. Now, this is not one of those sounds good but not real things. This is happening every single day. People are teaching online from different countries all around the world and getting paid in foreign currency. Let me be honest with you, a lot of people right now are stuck. You have applied to jobs, nothing. You have tried local opportunities, low pay. You have even thought about traveling, but everything just feels slow and uncertain. Meanwhile, someone is online right now as we speak, right now as we are watching this video, having a normal conversation and earning money from it. Now, before I go into the platforms, there is something important you need to understand. Most people don't fail because there are no opportunities. They fail because they don't have direction, and that's where Dreamport comes in. Dreamport is not just another platform, it's more like a structured entry point into remote work. Instead of trying random things, you actually follow a system. So you basically sign up, you go through the training, you become a travel manager, and you start working with real clients. So you're not just learning, you're gaining experience while earning. Most beginners there earn around $100 to $300 per week, and that experience is very important because once you understand how global work works, you can move into other opportunities more easily. Many of my amazing subscribers are already earning through Dreamport. I personally am on that app. I'm on the application, the website. I'm not going to be recommending what doesn't actually work and what you can actually make money from it. The link is going to be in the description box and also in the pinned comment section. So if you're interested in something other than teaching or just having multiple sources of income, because the more the money, the merrier, try and check out Dreamport. And then don't forget to check out the other platforms we'll be looking at in a second. And so I've personally been teaching English and other languages for years, from when I was in the university up to now. So this is not like theory, this is something I've actually done and I still do it. So now let's talk about what this job really is, because when people hear teaching online, they immediately think I need to know grammar, I need to be a professional teacher. Not really. Most of the time, you're simply helping someone practice English. Personally, I teach mostly conversational English, just having a normal conversation and get paid because I'm busy and I don't have a lot of time to plan lessons and all of that. But for those who might come across this video who are like professionals and all of that, that is amazing. More money for you and more opportunities, so why not? But for you who is just a beginner, basic English, it's also, you just like talking. So rather than talking and giving gist up and down, why not teach and make money? Or why not talk and make money? Or arguing or gossiping, just direct that energy and make some good money. So you don't need to be professional, right? So most of the time, you're simply helping someone to practice. That is it. You're asking questions, you're correcting small mistakes, you're helping them feel more confident speaking. And on many platforms, the lessons are already prepared. So you don't even need to bother about preparing lessons. Most of them are prepared for you. So you're not creating anything complicated, you're simply guiding. So what do you actually need to start? It's very simple. You need a phone or a laptop, stable internet, a quiet environment, and basic English communication. That's it. And by the way, just so you know, most of these platforms you can teach other languages other than English. You can teach other languages, right? You can teach German, Spanish, Dutch. There are some platforms where you can teach Pidgin English, Nigerian Pidgin English. Most of the times that's what they have, Nigerian Pidgin English. For some people who were asking about that, yes, you can also teach that. You just need to check if they need teachers at that point in time for that language, because sometimes it's filled up. So the earlier you get on it, the better for you. Okay, So now let's go into the platforms. The first one is iTalki. I don't know if you've heard about it, but then if you have not, awesome. If you've heard about it before, you've tried it out, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. How did it go? Are you stuck? Because if you're stuck, I'm here for you. You just need to book a session on my website. I'm gonna also put the link in the pinned description. Guys, please check the pinned description. There are very important links there, so that you don't have to keep asking me, how do I contact you, how do I contact you? I might miss your, I love the comments. It adds more comments to the comment section. It also pushes the video, but I don't want to miss your comments. Or if you really need to talk to me, you really need guidance on how to go about everything, and then I might miss it because maybe the comments are so many. Okay guys, so make sure you go, you book your session, and let's get it going. You get it? But if you can do it on your own, why not? Yeah. So let's look at iTalki. iTalki works like a marketplace, right? So students come to the platform, you search for tutors, and choose who they want to learn from. What makes iTalki powerful is this: you are not limited to English. As I mentioned, you can teach any language you're comfortable with, and you can also learn on the platform. If you feel like, okay, I want to know French, even to the extent where you want to be able to have basic French conversations and start making money from it, why not? You go to iTalki, you learn French, you use the knowledge you have and start making money from having conversations speaking French, even if you're not from a French speaking country, right? So it's a win-win. You can pay to learn, you can teach. You can start as a community tutor. With a community tutor, you don't need any certification. Basic, you don't need any experience, you just need to know the basic things about the language. That means no degree required, no certification required. And now here's what actually determines your success on iTalki. It's not just your English, it's how you present yourself. Instead of saying I teach English, strong profiles will say I help beginners speak confidently, I help people prepare for job interviews. That clarity attracts students. I just cannot show you guys my own account. I have an account on iTalki. I've been teaching there for some time now, for about 3 years. Yes, since 2020. Oh, that's really 6 years. When 2026, I've been there for long. Okay. Yeah, okay guys, so yes, it's very easy. You know, everything is packaging. You have to package yourself well. When I say I teach English, everybody knows I teach English, but what can you help the students with? So building these strong profiles really makes you to stand out. If you need help with building a strong profile, I'm your person. Book a session and let me know. We'll take it from there. Please stop asking many questions. How can I? The steps on my website is very direct. You book the session, I'll receive an email and I'll help you. That's it, guys. If you have like other questions, you can send me an email. My email is everywhere. It's in my bio. It's everywhere. Send me an email. Even on my website, you're gonna find my email there. You send me an email if you have something different or you are not seeing the package you want on my website, then we can arrange something for you. So please don't dull on this opportunity. And in terms of pay, you set your own rates. Most beginners start around $8 to $15 per hour. As you get reviews, you can increase your price to $20, $30 or more. If you want to sell $100, set it. It just depends on the. So I'll advise you, once you've gotten a lot of reviews, then you increase your price. When you're starting, you want to attract students. They don't yet trust you like that. Most people work on reviews. They want to see good reviews, and you cannot fake it. Well, you teach well, you have good conversations, you get good reviews, you increase your price, you make more money. And yes, you can manage your profile and even teach using mobile setups. As long as your connection and audio are clear. I always, on iTalki, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I teach from my phone. I always teach from my phone. Yes, I'm comfortable just picking up my phone when I have it. When a class is booked, I'll hear it being booked, and then I go to my phone, I teach. Not all the time I want to open my computer. So, and for those who maybe don't yet have computers, this is where a good place to start. The next platform we'll be looking at is Preply. Preply is also a marketplace, but more competitive. I also taught here for a while, not for so long. The pay rate is not really good like iTalki. So once I moved abroad, I got to other good platforms. Or if you're still in Africa, this is really a good one for you. It's good money. So it's more competitive. Students search, compare tutors, and then they choose. So you have to have a strong profile again. book a session, let's build that profile if you cannot do it alone. So yeah, your profile really matters. Your picture, your introduction video, how you speak. If you don't know how to go about your introduction video, book a session, let's do it together. Guys, I'm here for you. I'm here for you, right? Also, all of this determines if you get booked. So you also set your price here anywhere from $10 to $45 per hour. But because it's competitive, if you set a very high price, you might not get students, especially when you're new. So yeah, you have to really do it depending on your experience and reviews. One thing to note is pre-pri takes a commission, especially when you're just starting. But as you grow, you keep more of your earnings. Very transparent. They'll tell you, they're not hiding it. They take some money out of what you earn. Even iTalki, if I did not mention, so if you earn maybe $10 for a 30 minutes class, for example, that you might actually get 8 point something dollars. This is just an example. You take $40, the student pays $40, you might get 38 point something dollars. They get a percentage, but very little. You're still making good money. And like I said earlier, this one is better when you grow into it. The phone is good for messaging, but teaching works better with a laptop setup. You can teach through your phone, but it's just better. Like, the platform is just better with the laptop, but you can still try with your phone. And the next we have is AmazingTalker. I'm sure I reviewed this before. So the next one we have is AmazingTalker. Yes, so this one is less crowded, which is actually a good thing. Less competition means more visibility for new tutors. Here you control your price, your schedule, your teaching style. It's very flexible, and the platform tends to promote tutors who are active and consistent. So if you show up regularly, you increase your chances of getting students. The average pay here is around $15 to $30 per hour. It is also mobile friendly for managing your schedule and communication. Guys, all the platforms I reviewed today are mobile friendly. Basically, that's the focus. I also made another video where most of the ones I reviewed, it's gonna be linked in this video, but you can also check out my last video. It's mostly you need a computer, basically. And don't forget, I'm also going to reveal a platform. I'm always keeping the best for the last for the best for the last. You understand me, right? Okay, so next we have Superprof. Superprof is more flexible. You are not limited to languages. You can teach English, academic subjects, skills. Like if you're a coach, a dancer, a guitarist, a swimmer, anything. You can basically teach anything, and you can meet people in person and online. This one is most for people in the United States, right? So you create your profile, students contact you directly, and you agree on pricing together. So you can really go high or go low depending on how you value yourself, right? It gives you more control, but you also need to market yourself well. If you need help with that, just hit me a booking. Make your payment, let's start this. Phone works fine for setup and communication, but your teaching setup depends on how you structure your lesson. So it really just depends on you. If you're comfortable with just your phone, you can maneuver that, that's fine. If it's more complicated, you need a laptop, that's still on you. So if you're still watching this, type I get it now in the comments. I want to see something. So type I get it now in the comments. Okay, now let's talk about one of the easiest platforms to start with, Cambly. Cambly is very simple. You log in, you go online, students connect instantly, no searching, no competition stress. You're basically having conversations, helping people practice English. The pay is around $10 per hour and it's calculated per minute. So it depends on how many minutes you stay. Yeah, so $10 per hour, but they pay per minute. You stay 2 hours, so you get your $20. And this is where it gets interesting. Cambly works on your phone. You can literally teach using your phone. Does that make sense? So now let me be real with you. This is not instant success. You need to show up consistently, communicate clearly, and be patient. It's not as easy as it sounds. It's good money, but you need to put in the work as per almost every other thing you do in life. You feel me? But once you build your confidence and experience, you can grow from there. So now remember, I mentioned something earlier. There's one platform that is specifically designed for mobile teaching. beginner friendly and not talked about enough. Many people don't even know about this platform. I didn't mention it earlier on purpose. So if you watch this video carefully and you're actually serious about starting, I want you to comment "I'm done waiting" if you watch up to this point. If you did not reach okay, if you watch up to this point, please just write in the comments "I'm done waiting." Okay, I'm done waiting, and I'll reply you with the platform, how to start, and what to avoid. I will give you the platform name. You just search for it and then you'll find it. But you must comment "I'm done waiting," and that'll be my little gift to you. This platform is amazing. Many people don't know about it, so your chances of getting approval are like quick. Yeah, that's my gift to you. So it was designed for mobile use, so you can teach directly from your phone, no stress. And let me end with this. It's not really about the platform, it's about you. If you're consistent, you communicate well, and you improve over time, you will earn money. You earn money until you come and meet me on this channel and tell me I'll do you a $1,000 giveaway for this information. Normally, guys, this information, I've done the work for you guys, so you just need to give me $1,000, right? So I started this early and it paid my bills. It can do the same for you. So don't wait. Start today. If this helps you, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I started. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. You can check out my other video to see other platforms. Let me know what you want to see more from me. Do you want more travel content? Things like this about making income? I'm here for you guys. I'm going to be doing all of it, but I want to give you guys what you need. I want to do the work while you sit and relax. Bye and stay blessed.